Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, March the 4th, 2026. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. March 4th. Always a fun play on spelling, play on words. And I'm going to invite you today to March 4th into some play. Believe it or not, I had to put a note on my secondary monitor in my office the other day and to remind myself in these crazy times was this. Have you played today? That could be just playing music for fun. It could be going outside for a walk, bare feet in the grass, going to a park. But this is more of an intentional thing. I'm not talking about scrolling. I'm not talking about looking at puppy videos or funny things or anything like that, because that can get us hooked into doom scrolling. I'm talking about setting an intention to take 10 minutes out of your day to do something silly, to do something really fun, to just get out of your head, get out of the news of the day, the chaos, the intentional chaos, the things that are intentionally set right now to confuse us, to cause chaos, to divide us, to keep us going at each other about anything and everything. We are designed for creativity and play. And if we are not doing that, we can get so locked into, I gotta fix this. That's the mindset, is if I just work harder, I can fix this, I can save the planet. And of course, the truth is, none of us, no single one of us can single-handedly save the planet from what we have collectively created. We're all a part of this one mind. We are all in this together. So I invite you, if it requires you putting a Post-it note on your screen or your phone or your home screen on your phone or on your refrigerator, your bathroom mirror, 10 minutes. Add that to your spiritual practice, because it is a spiritual practice. We cannot find solutions to problems at the same level of thinking that created them. And the most effective, efficient way to get to the really good, creative, fun stuff is to allow ourselves to have some fun. That means going to the corner grocery store or whatever it is where you get your balloons, buy yourself a balloon and then give it to someone. Something as simple as that, 10 minutes to brighten somebody's day, bring a smile to somebody's face. You will be amazed. I can guarantee you, 10 minutes of play just for fun gets us out of our own way, gets us out of everybody else's way too. All right, this is Reverend Kit for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing these videos. Thank you for all the ways that you support. And go play. Go play today. Not a whole lot else we can do but play. And change that second letter. Put an R in there too. That might be helpful. Do some praying too. All right. I love you all dearly. See you again next Wednesday. Remember, we are all in this together. Everything we do affects everyone else. So bring some joy. Remember that. All that one mind, we're all in this together. Kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. I love you all dearly, as I said, and I will always continue to say. I'll see you again next Wednesday right here on One Mind Wednesday. Take care.